Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle an interesting problem that many developers face when working with CSS. Have you ever wondered why your code displays 0 and 1, but sometimes unexpectedly shows the number 2? This curious behavior can be quite puzzling, especially when using certain CSS functions like calc. Today, we'll dive into the root cause of this problem and explore a clever solution to understand and resolve it. Now, let's delve into the solution to this tricky issue. One effective way to uncover the computed value of a CSS property, such as W in this case, is by assigning it to a real property, like line height. By setting the line height to var W within the body selector, we can visually inspect the value and gain a better understanding of what is being computed. This simple trick allows us to see the actual value, which may not always align with our initial expectations. Building upon our previous solution, another helpful technique involves using the round function to round the computed value to the nearest integer. By incorporating round, nearest, tan, at 2, var, vw, 1px. Within the root selector, we can ensure that the value of w remains within the desired range, ultimately preventing unexpected results like displaying the number 2. Remember, small adjustments can make a significant difference in how CSS properties are calculated and displayed. In summary, we explored a common problem faced by developers when working with CSS functions and delved into practical solutions to better understand and manage computed values. By assigning the value of a property to a real element like line height and utilizing the round function strategically, we can gain insights into the inner workings of CSS and prevent unexpected outcomes. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!